So yesterday we talked about multiplying integers, now we are dividing frozen integers. Oh, can we just have ink to fill up? Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so multiplication and division, they work pretty much the same way. But we're gonna go over some examples with it anyways. So if, for example, you had 2 divided by -3, you have a positive divided by a negative. Remember, one positive, one negative, your answer is gonna be negative. So your answer would be what? Negative what?
Negative
2 divided by 3, what's that?
1. Negative 2.
No, that would be -3 divided by 2.
0.
What's 2 divided by 3? How would you put that on here?
Smaller because 3 is bigger than 2.
Yeah, but you're doing 2 divided by 3. So what is your answer?
1.5.
No, that would be 3 divided by 2. Think about it like the whole thing with pizzas, right? You've got 2 pizzas, they're divided into 3 different sections. You're not getting 1.5 pizzas in each section.
Oh.
It would be like if you divided this into thirds. That's one, that's another, and then this part would be the last. So there's 2/3.
Is it like
Oh,
a
I
small
got it.
pizza or a gigantic pizza?
That's like the size of your hand, so I think it's a small pizza.
No, we.
If you look at, oh, did I skip a page there?
Yeah.
Nope. So if you look bottom of page 9 or just page 92, there's like real world problems for that too. So if it says a submarine descends 720 feet in 6 minutes, so it's going down 720 feet in 6 minutes. So you have 720 divided by 6, 1, 6, 12, 2, so 120 feet per minute, or it's subtracting 120 feet per minute. So you could either say it's descending at 120 feet per minute, or you could say it's going negative 120 feet per minute. But if you say descending negative 120, remember descending already means negative, so that means you're basically going back and forth on it, or you're doing both things. You're saying descending, which makes it negative, and a negative 120, so you can't say that. You just say, I would just say descending 120 feet per minute, because that makes more sense to say it that way. You have negative 25. They said divided by 5, but I'm going to say divided by 5 this way. I find it easier to understand it that way. It's divided by -5. You have a negative divided by negative, you're going to get a positive. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So that same trick of see what is your answer going to be positive or negative? It's going to be positive because negative divided by negative is a positive. Negative 81 over 3. Is your answer going to be positive or negative? Negative. And 81 divided by 3 is anyone? Think 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So it would be 3 times 9. 27.
What
You sound exactly quick
Think.
now.
3 times what? Times what? Times 9. So you have 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 81. So 3 times 9 is 27. Or negative 27 in that case. And then 96 divided by negative 4 is your final answer, positive or negative? Negative. Think 4 goes into 100 how many times?
19.
Into 100 how many times?
Hold on. 50. No.
Think about it. 4 quarters in $1. Each quarter is worth
25.
25. So 4 goes to 100 25 times. How many times is it going to go to 96? One less.
24.
24. So your answer is
24.
negative 24 because your answer is negative on that one. Anyone feel like you need more on this? I don't think you need a whole lot more. I think it's pretty self-explanatory.
Oh, it's gonna be hard now, but I'm good.
Okay, well you can go over guided practice 6 through 9 if you need more help with things, but I think you should be good to go. That's all I got.